Not all trailer wiring is made the same. And if you're installing trailer wiring on your vehicle, you've got a decision to make. At U-Haul, we've installed more hitches and wiring than anyone else. We've seen what works and what doesn't. Most wiring kits connect by cutting into your vehicle's electrical system, splicing wires, and tapping into signals. There's a better way. U-Haul SmartConnect Trailer Wiring connects directly to your vehicle's factory system. No cutting, no splicing. That means a faster installation, a cleaner setup, and no guesswork. Because it works with your vehicle's onboard systems, you won't deal with warning lights, flickering signals, or electrical issues. On many modern vehicles, the SmartConnect system communicates directly with your vehicle to unlock manufacturer-equipped features like trailer connection alerts, backup sensor behavior, and bulb out monitoring. It's the same styled connection used in dealership wiring, designed to match your vehicle, not modify it. You get that dealership-style performance without the dealership price. SmartConnect isn't just built for today. It's designed to grow with your towing needs. Ready to upgrade to a 7-way connection for trailer brakes, reverse signal, and auxiliary power. So when it comes to trailer wiring, you really have two options: cut into your vehicle or connect to it. U-Haul SmartConnect, the smarter way to wire your vehicle for towing, available exclusively at your local U-Haul.